Welcome back. Now we are coming to the next exercise, exercise 5.5. Before that, please subscribe the channel for regular update. So we are in multiple choice question. We are at question number 1. The area of the triangle formed by the points minus 5, 0, 0, minus 5 and 5, 0 is. So we need to find area of this triangle. So as you can see, this is quite easy to find. Write all the values of x-axis, x1, x2, x3, 5, 0, 5, minus 5, y1, y2, y3, 0, minus 5, 0, 0. This 0 again. Just multiply 5 to 5, 25, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 5, 0 diagonally. Then write diagonal, minus 0 into 0, 0, minus 25, minus 0, plus 0. So as you can see, 25 minus into minus plus 25 gives you 50. 50 divided by 2 gives you 25 square units. Hence the answer for this is B. Now we are coming to second question. The second question is, a man walks near a wall such that the distance between him and the wall is 10 units. Consider the wall to be the y-axis. The path travelled by the man is. Here you can see the man here and y-axis as the wall. So if he walks 10 units, so x is equals to 10 units because he is walking on the x-axis. Hence the answer is, so the answer was A, x equal to 10. Now third question. The straight line given by the equation x equal to 11 is. If x equal to 11 is given, the line will be drawn like this, which is parallel to y-axis. So it is parallel to y-axis. As it is parallel to y-axis, the answer becomes B. Okay. Now we are at question number 4. If 5, 7, 3, P and 6, 6 are collinear, then the value of P is. So again we have to find the same area of triangle formula and we write equal to 0. We don't write 1 by 2 and find the value of P. As you can see, x1, x2, x3. 5, 3, 6, 5, 7, P, 6, 7 equal to 0, the condition for collinear. So we multiply left diagonal, 5P, 6 3 is 18, 6 7 is 42, minus 7 3 is 21, P into 6, 6P, 6 5 is 30. We multiply minus inside, then 5P as it is, 42 plus 18 becomes 60, minus 51, 21 plus 30, minus 6P equal to 0. So 5P minus 6P become minus P. So 60 minus 51 becomes 9. So plus 9 goes to that side of equal to, minus being cancelled. So P becomes 9. Hence the answer for this is, so answer for this is C. Now we are coming to next question. The point of intersection of 3x minus y equal to 4 and x plus y equal to 8. So it is quite easy. We just take the value and substitute and check. That's it. Otherwise we can follow this method also, elimination method. So plus y and minus y being cancelled. So 3x plus 1x becomes 4x equal to 12. So x equal to 3. So as x equal to 3, we can substitute in the simple equation. The equation x plus y equal to 8. So 3 is being substituted as x, y plus 8. So y is equals to 8 minus 3, 5. Therefore point of intersection is 3, 5. The option for C. So question number 5, the option is C. Now we are coming to question number 6. The slope of the line joining 12, 3, 4, A is 1 by 8. Find the value of A. So as we know, the formula for slope, m is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So we are given with the value of m, that is 1 by 8. So we substitute here the point. A minus 3 by 4 minus 12 equal to 1 by 8. So A minus 3 as it is. 4 minus 12 is minus 8 equal to 1 by 8. 8 is being cancelled. Minus is taken to that side of equal to becomes minus 1. So A minus 3 equal to minus 1. Hence therefore A minus 3 equal to minus 1. Minus 3 goes to that side of equal to, it becomes plus 3. So A is equals to minus 1 plus 3. So A equal to 2. The option for this is D. Hence the option is D. Next, please subscribe for the regular update. If you like the comments, hit the like button. If you have any doubt regarding the concept of this particular topic, you can ask in comment section. Now we are coming to question number 7. The slope of the line which is perpendicular to the line joining the point 0, 0 and minus 8, 8 is, so as we are told to find the slope, the given points are x1, y1, x2, y2. M is equals to y2 minus 1 by x2 minus x1. We substitute this, it becomes minus 1. So the option for this is A. Coming back to question number 8, if the slope of the line PQ is 1 by root 3, then the slope of perpendicular bisector of PQ is. To find the slope of perpendicular bisector, we just reciprocal the term and multiply by minus. So it is quite easy. Perpendicular of this is 1 by root 3 is root 3, reciprocate and then multiply by minus. So it's minus root 3. The option is B. Coming to question number 9. If A is a point on the y-axis whose ordinate is 8 and B is the point on the x-axis whose abscissa is 5, then the equation of the line AB. So as y-axis ordinate, it is a point on the y-axis. So point on the y-axis, x is always 0 and x-axis abscissa is 5. So point on the x-axis, y is equals to 0. Hence point on y-axis is 0, 8. Point on x-axis is 5, 0. This is how we write. Then the equation of line formula for 2 point given, y minus 1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Substituting the values, cross multiplying it, we fall into this equation. Arranging this, multiplying 5 inside with both the terms. Arranging it, bringing x positive. So 8x plus 5y minus 40 equal to 0. So as in given in the option, 8x plus 5y equal to 40. Hence the option is A. So as you can see, the answer for question number 9 is A. Please subscribe for regular update. If you like, share with your friends. Ask them to join the channel. Thank you. We will see the further updates in next video.